So we're back again with Forward Basic, possibly, Kutsinhira for Shumba Huru.
Yes, here we go.
Can I pause you? So the patterns in the Kushaurus, boom, 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 boom,
Yeah,
boom, boom,
it's
boom.
like when I'm playing single like this, one person, they seem like they go in the same position, but the when playing two, then you go.
Cool. I'll do the clap for Kushaura. So ding, 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 ding. Are you doing the Kutsinhira now? Okay. Let's just go back to Kushaura so people can see how the clap was the boom, 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 boom. Great. I'll keep clapping, and then you can stop and then show us how the clap matches up with the. So it's the high notes before the low ones that matches up.
It does, yes.
So Kutsinhira
behind each other.
Kutsinhira is delayed.
Great.
Thank you, Forward. Thank you.
And then, should we go ahead or
What do you want to do next?
next? I want to go both. I could do
Like a mixed kind of thing.
mixed Kushaura and Kutsinhira.
Shall I pause the video and pop that in as a next video?
Yeah.